The basic tab is automatically filled in for you. Here, you'll find your app name, website, URL, app identity, and app identifier. If everything looks good, you can leave it as it is or make any changes if needed. This tab automatically syncs your app icon and splash screen. If you want to change the app icon, simply click on it and upload a new one. For the splash screen, you can also use a custom image. Click New Image, then drag and drop your image, or click to browse and upload it. The app will update it automatically. Now, let's see how the splash screen looks on the app. The Appearance tab lets you customize your app's system UI. For example, you can change the system bar color from white to your brand or theme color. Let me change it to this color, then click Save. Now, let me show you how it looks on a real phone. As you can see, the color has changed. You can also customize the bottom navigation bar to match your app's theme. If you'd like, you can switch the navigation icons from white to dark here as well. If you enable full screen, the system bar will be hidden. You can also disable the bottom navigation bar if you prefer a completely full screen experience. In the Navigation tab, you can enable the navigation menu by turning it on. Once enabled, you'll see the navigation bar appear in your app. To add a new navigation item, click Add, choose an icon, enter a label, for example, blog, and provide the URL. You can add as many navigation items as you need. There are also 5 different navigation styles available. Simply select one and preview how it looks in your app to find the style that best fits your design. You can also switch to the side drawer navigation style. After saving your changes, your app will display a side drawer like this. Just like the bottom navigation, you can customize each menu item by selecting an icon, entering a label, and providing a URL. You can also edit existing items, delete them, or add new ones at any time. Onboarding. The onboarding screen is shown only once, the first time a user opens your app. To enable it, simply turn on the onboarding option. In the Setup section, you can upload your own images or use image URLs from your website. For example, you can use any image from your website in PNG, JPG, WebP, or any other supported image format. Simply right-click the image, select Open Image in New tab, and copy the image URL. Make sure the URL points directly to the image file, such as .png, .jpg, or another image format. Then, paste the URL into the image field and click Save. The image will be displayed automatically. You can also customize the background color to match your brand and give it a more premium look. In addition, you can edit the title, description, button text, and other onboarding content. When a user opens your app for the first time, the onboarding screen will appear like this, providing a clean and professional welcome experience. Home screen. The home screen is displayed before your website loads. To enable it, simply turn it on. When you open the app, you'll see a welcome screen like this. After tapping Get Started, your website will load automatically. Everything on the home screen is fully customizable. You can edit the title, description, button text, and even change the button URL to control where users are taken when they tap Get Started. You can also use any image you like. For example, if you have an image on your website, simply right-click it, select Open Image in New tab, copy the direct image URL, and paste it into the image field. The image will be loaded automatically. As you can see, this gives your app a much more premium look. There are several home screen templates available. Template 1, classic welcome screen. Template 2, a different modern layout. Template 3, another clean and stylish design. Template 4, includes your app icon for better branding. There's also an e-commerce template, which is perfect for online stores. Let me show you how it works. This template displays featured product cards on the home screen. Each card includes a product image, product title, brand name, or any text you'd like, and a See More button. You can customize each product card by uploading a product image, changing the product title, editing the brand or description, and adding the product URL. When users tap See More, the selected product will open directly inside your app. You can add as many product cards as you want. Be sure to complete all of the required fields in the home screen settings. Once everything is configured and the home screen is enabled, it will work exactly like this. The Store Details section in the Home Screen tab is very important. Make sure you fill in all the required information. If you leave it blank, the Rate App and Share App buttons will not work properly in your app. Now, let me show you on a real phone how the Rate App and Share App buttons work.